Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many people face when working with technology. The problem we're tackling is related to files mysteriously disappearing from your computer. Imaging working on an important project, saving it, and then poof, it's gone. Frustrating, right? Let's explore this issue further and, of course, find a solution to help you out. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The best way to tackle this issue is to check your recycle bin or trash folder. Sometimes, files mistakenly get moved there, and it's a quick fix to restore them. Additionally, using a data recovery tool can help you retrieve any lost files. One such tool is Recover, which is user-friendly and effective in recovering deleted files. By following these steps, you can hopefully retrieve those vanished files and save yourself from major headache. In summary, losing files on your computer can be a major hassle, but there are simple solutions to help you recover them. By checking a recycle bin or using a data recovery tool like Recover, you can increase your chances of finding those missing files. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoy this content, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your tech horror stories. Thanks for watching, and until next time.